Hello and welcome to a very special edition of Jessie's Fun World. As you know, I'm not Jessie. Here she is. Here she is. Hey Jessie. And today's a very special day because it's her birthday. So we've come to Gullivers World and we're going to show you all around the sights, the sounds, the rides, what it's like for a 2-year-old to be here in Gullivers World. Let's go and have a look.
So if you would like to learn how to get pirate, we right here at our high school community at 11:15. And if you love magic, then you will not want to miss our very own Roberts with his magical illusion show. Head over to the Western World Magic Emporium at 11:30, 12:30, or 1:30 today for that show. And we've got small player and tiny player from the local planet right here at Gullivers today.
So we got our tickets from Voucher, £39, which was for a family of 4. There's only 3 of us, but it still worked out a lot cheaper than the normal ticket prices. Okay, here we go. We're now on the teacups. Jessica's first ride here at Gullivers World, Warrington. Ooh. Woo, is it fun? Oh.
Yay! It's spinning. Right, spinning on the chair.
Woo! You like it?
Is it good? Ready?
Okay. Whoa. Now we're on a plane. Woo! Eee. Plane.
Rabbits. Audio's working.
So unfortunately Jessica was just about an inch too small to go on this one. As you can see, gutted, but she said next time you'll go on it, won't you? Next time. Say hi, guys! All the rides we've been on have been absolutely fantastic. She's having a blast. It's a fantastic place. We've never been here before, and I'm sure there's going to be many more visits to come. You enjoying Gullivers?
Yeah.
How much fun are you having? Lots?
Yeah.
Have you been on lots of rides?
Yeah.
So we're stood in front of the Antelope, which is a huge wooden coaster here at Gullivers. Obviously Jessie is way too young to go on it. Maybe in a few years though you'll be a little daredevil. But I just thought I'd give you an overview, and you can see what it looks like as well for any grown-up coaster enthusiasts out there.
Oh, what's fun?
So as you can see, it's quite empty today. A lot of empty cars going around, but that's great because that means no queuing with the kids. And some really fun rides to be had.
Are you hungry?
Yeah? So that pretty much sums up our day here at Gullivers World. We've had a fantastic day, as I've mentioned several times. Definitely coming back. If you've enjoyed this, please do subscribe and also stay tuned because Jessie's got some more fun adventures coming up in Alton Towers, Portaventura and Fantasy Island. See you there.